In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to load devices error on Amazon Alexa. As you can see, I'm trying to use this app, but it is unable to load my favorites here. So if your app is unable to load your devices, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this on your Amazon Alexa app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, we want to go to the app setting to troubleshoot it. For that, go to settings and then go to apps. Here, look for all apps or manage apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Amazon Alexa. And from here, you want to go to for stop app. This will stop any background activities that might be going on the app that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data option here and choose clear cache and okay, and again clear all data. Here you will need now to restart your smartphone and then go to your app, and most likely this should fix your problem. So once you go to your app, you need to log in afresh for you to load your devices. However, if this still fails, then you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN or proxy app, turn it off, or if you had installed any security app recently, you might want to uninstall it, as this might cause the issue. However, should you still find a challenge, then head to the next method, and that is to check for any update for your app by going to Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. You want to search for your Amazon Alexa app, and should you find there is an update, update it to the latest version before you can start using your app and load your device without any issue. So in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. But again, if the problem still persists, try and see if you can load devices using the web browser option. For that, just go to any browser and search for Amazon Alexa. This will take you to official Amazon Alexa webpage where you can log in with your same account and see if this fixes your issue. However, if you are being redirected to your app, you might want to uninstall the app before you use the web page version. But should still this fail, then you want to check again after some times, because sometimes you might be experiencing this error because Amazon Alexa has experienced an internal error. So after some times, now you should be able to use your app or load devices without any issue. Let me know which of these methods was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.